So the Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog, or CPIA, it was developed as a 1-year Mars surface simulation with the intent that we can have crew in isolation and confinement with Mars realistic restrictions, and we can really start to understand how those restrictions are associated with their health and performance over that year.
Besides the isolation confinement and the sheer distance, would be things like being able to get along. So when you're in a small habitat with, 3 other people, that can wear on you over time. And we have different experiments and what we call analogs like this that have been for shorter durations. There's been a handful that have gone over a year.